Hi. Hi, I'm Jonathan, and this is my programming passion, basically what I love to do. Why? What is programming? Well, programming is where you give a certain amount of instructions to a laptop, or in any case, like a device or something, and then it allows you to carry out tasks. The cool thing is you can do it once, and you would never have to do it again. Why should you care? Well, the reason why we should care is because, honestly, code is pretty cool. You can run a lot of things, like YouTube. That's pretty cool. Why am I saying cool? What I like it. The main reason why I like it is because I can make art on it and then send the art to a lot of different people. That is really... I love that. Because I can easily get reactions out of people and make a lot of things happen. Why? What can you use it for? Well, you can use it for a lot of reasons. You can use it to make a system to help you do your homework, like a calendar or a schedule, or you can use it to communicate. And that's often the reason why a lot of people have their phones. They can also use it for entertainment-ish factors, or, helping them with anything, really. If you want to use it, this is some ways to use it. You can use like Quizlet. Like that is a good piece of code right there because you learn vocabulary. This is what helps me in my house, in my life. What I've done with it, some major things that I've done with it is mostly video games. So I've made games like Laser Connect. You cannot see it, but I've made it. Here, let me. That makes it worse. Oh God. Brightness. Okay. You're just gonna have to take my word on it. Laser Connect. It's a game where you have two characters. They're in the world, and then they can't they have a laser between them, and they can't touch any walls. So like if this is one character and this was the other character, this was the wall, they would die. So you want to move around the wall, basically. I've also made Bounce and Chaos. Basically, it's a top-down shooter where you can shoot yourself. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then if you actually want to learn coding, these are some websites that you can use them for. You cannot see these images because they're so blurry. Sorry about that. So, number one is you can use Scratch. Scratch is a block-based coding where you can basically make... It's basically beginner. It's like easy mode if you want to get into programming. This will allow you to just get the basic gist of how to code, basically. Then there's Khan Academy. The cool thing about Khan Academy is that it has a course. You can go through the whole course and you can figure out what you want to do and you could build it, and then you could just go through the course. It makes it a lot easier than learning from scratch, literally and figuratively. And then there's Relp. Relp is more of the complex. If you just want to get if you just want to start, if you just want to if you're already done programming, this is what you should use. Yes. This is some examples of programs that you can make for your first program. My first piece of code was, you can't see it. My first piece of code was a house. Literally a square and a triangle. That was all it is. That's what it was. Then this is the recommended starting out position is a hello world code, and it's really simple. It's just like hello world in console or whatever. Yeah. Any questions? Good. Thank you. And then here's the links to all of the images and programs that I used. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm probably gonna go nowhere, but it's pretty cool that you're here. Thank you.